And the reason I'm here today is to award 3 individuals from Lake County from our annual awards program. And this is the first year that we've had any individuals nominated from Lake County. Kayla DaCosta has been announced as the ALS Provider of the Year for the Central Mountains RETAC. She was nominated by Jeremiah Grantham. And just a few bullets from her award. She has the full nomination in a packet I'm going to provide her, but she was recognized as a skilled medic who cares immensely about her community, her coworkers, and her patients. She's a full-time paramedic, but she goes well out of her way to increase harm reduction resources in Lake County. She attends every event she can to be able to give out Narcan and provide Narcan education. She initiated and organized harm reduction education at the Leadville 365 Health Fair on her own and donates her off-duty hours to it as well. She goes above and beyond when it comes to families who have lost loved ones suddenly, including putting the house back together before getting back into service. Much of what she does is on a volunteer basis outside her full-time paramedic position. She is a great asset and example to Leadville, Lake County, and the Central Mountains region, Colorado, and EMS as a whole. Congratulations. Thank you. So next is Steve Boyle. He has been awarded the Public Safety Professional of the Year for Central Mountains RETAC, also nominated by Jeremiah Grantham.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
So I'll read some words about Steve. Steve not only performs his duty as fire marshal with great diligence, but inserts himself into the community wherever it is needed. He works heavily with the Red Cross, community events, local food banks, distributing smoke alarms, too many to list. Here he volunteered to sit as chair of the Injury Prevention Committee for Central Mountains RETAC. In between all his other duties, Fire Marshal Boyle even finds a way to respond to emergency calls. He does anything from helping lift and carry patients to running an entire scene as an incident commander and everything in between. He lives in our community and knows the needs of Leadville and Lake County fully. All of this is something we would very likely never have without him as our fire marshal. Chief Boyle is without a doubt irreplaceable asset for emergency services within our community. Congratulations. EMS Leader of the Year. And he was nominated by his colleague over in Eel County, Brandon Durina, who's the CEO of Eel County Paramedics. If I could have written this nomination myself, I would have done so, because Jeremiah is amazing. Some words from Brandon. Jeremiah has been a dedicated EMS leader in Lake County. Over the last few years as the hospital district, he has managed and struggled with organization and finances, although I'm happy to hear that things are improving. He has always led with a steady hand and positivity during this incredibly challenging time, putting his patients and staff first and going over and above and beyond the system to hold the system together. We should recognize those amongst us who are dedicated to their communities and go to great lengths to support EMS providers. He is exemplary in his dedication to his staff, his profession, his community. And I will add, even in the most challenging times, he always says to me, "What can I do? How can I help?" He's just an amazing asset to the community and to my life. So congratulations. Thank you.